Good morning, YouTube. Good morning. Good morning. We're back with another video. I've been trading every single day, but I haven't really been recording in a while. Don't really have an excuse for why, but I'm just forget all that. We're back to trading. Right now we got 1.5, 2 minutes until market open. So I'm just looking at SPY just because SPY shows the pre-market, and I'm just going to switch it back to SPX because all my notes and everything are on SPX. I've been getting back into doing spreads. I'll sort of introduce some basics, but really just from now on, I'm just going to be live trading, showing how I look at things, showing what I see, why I see it, etc., etc. Over time, I'll explain everything I have on my chart so you understand like what you're looking at. That noise you hear in the background is probably from my Reddit in the Discord that I'm in. I'll give some info about that Discord, and I'll leave a link to the Discord below if you want some more details and some more information on it. We can go and put that. I'm just marking our points. Where's SPY? 4490. Where's the? Oh, we right here. Okay, actually, I see this huge supply zone. We're gonna gauge this first candle. Because we broke this, we're gonna be looking for calls. That's my alarm just went off. We can take that off. If that candle holds and the second candle is bullish, we're gonna hop in a call. And we're doing that because we broke our recent high. So what time is it? It's 8:30. Okay, we made this, so we have that gap. I would like to see price come up a little bit and play and then break down. But if not, we can just take the gap play down right here on this in 20 seconds when this candle closes, and we'll just play that for like 10%. So we're gonna look at a put. Okay, so I'm looking right here and I see we had a reaction. And actually, that's why we had a reaction right there, because we got something right there. So always remember, when you draw things out, this area push down, that's a supply zone. It pushed down. It's flipping over to a demand zone now. And as you can see, we had a real nice reaction to it. We want to look for calls. We had that reaction. I'm going to look at a 4495 call. We're going to see what this candle is going to do. I don't know how I feel about that. So we're really just, I don't know, man. Whichever way we get a candle closure. If we get a closure below that, we'll take a put. We get closure above that, we'll take a call. All right, we got 15 seconds. If we can get a closure below that low, I'll take it. I don't think we're going to get the closure below it, though. No, we're not. We're not. So we'll wait for the next candle. Oh, man. We just want a solid closure below that, below this right here. If we get a closure below that, we good to go. And we'll just scalp it down for 10%. And that'll probably be like right there. That's all we need. Just looking right here, if you can see, we got a little break right there. I'll just draw it out. So we're going to be looking at puts. You can see that break. I'm about to go right now. If this candle breaks. No, it didn't break. It won't break. Like, come on, just break already. It's, man, this is the retest. But come on, I want the down. Just give me the down. Thank you. Now close below that. Oh my God. This is the candle. If we get this break right here, I'm calling it. This is the candle. I'm calling it. We still got 40 seconds though. If we can get this freaking break, that it broke. Okay. If we can just hold it below that, then we got it. 25 seconds. See how it's playing? If we can just hold it, we got it. Right now price is at 8.1, 8.2, 8.3, 8.1. 10 seconds. I need a little bit lower. Give me a little bit. Oh my God, you gotta be playing. See, that right there is why we had to wait for candle closure. Okay, we're finally looking like we're gonna do something. Because we're on the 1 minute. If you can scroll to the 3 minute, you see all these wicks pointing down here. That means price wants to go down. And they're also, oh, look at that big candle. Hold up. All right, let's spread it out a little bit. If we can get closure below this, I'll take a put. And we're gonna take this 4485 put, which I've been looking at for the past, what time is it? Past 20 minutes. Honestly, we could do a spread. We could, well, I don't want to do a spread because you got liquidity up here too. You don't know which way this thing is gonna jump, so I don't really just want to grab a spread. Let's zoom out to the 5 minutes. So what we would do right here is we would do a bear call spread saying that price will not go higher than this. When I do spreads, I would either do same day expiration or I would do a tomorrow expiration. I want to go back and look though, because I like that candle. Let's go back and look. I like these candles. We got a break finally. That's the break. Now, if we can get closure, I'm in. 4485. 4485 is what I want. Price right now is at 8.2, 8.3. I like it. I like it. I'm buying this. Just hold it and I have my button on click. I am buying it. I'm buying it right here. Look at this crap. I just want to freaking throw something. Spreads with SPX, they go in $5 increments. So you do 4, 5, 10, or they got a 4, 505 strike, 4, 500 strike, etc. It goes in $5 increments. I'll actually see if I can just screenshot it and put it on. Oh, go back. We still got 30 seconds. Still got 30 seconds, man. That's a beautiful candle. Give me closure and I'll take it. But like in my relationships, you never get closure. So, all right, I bought. We're buying at 8.6, I believe. Bought. So remember, this right side, that is our ask. That's what we paid for. And then the left side is what we have to sell for. We're selling for 10% profit. Alexa, what's 8.6 times 1.1? 9.5. Let me go back to looking at this spread and we can just keep it until, like, I'll just keep it on the chart until tomorrow. That's a beautiful play. That's a beautiful entry we did. So as you can see, we made profit. This was our before and this was our after. So now that that's over, let's actually just look at a let's look at a spread. Let's go to the M3, or we can go to M5. As you can see, price is headed down. I don't believe price will get above this, so we're doing a bear call. This is going to be a 4-5-10 bear call, and I strongly don't believe it'll get above 4-5-15. So let's do 4-5-15 because that's just safer. We're going to sell 4-5-15 and then we're going to buy above 4-5-15. So we're selling 4-5-15. We can buy like 4-5. Let's buy 4-5-25. We could go back and do a 4-5-10. Let's just look at a 4-5-10. So we'll sell a 4-5-10 call and we'll buy a 4-5-20 call. And that's at 85. We could do that, but that's more risky. And I don't feel too confident on that one because we're going to hold this until tomorrow. So let's go back and we'll do a 4-5-15 bear call and we'll check that out on tomorrow's video. If you guys like this video, be sure to leave a comment, subscribe to the channel. If I have time, I'll put a link below of the Discord that taught me how to trade, and that I'm actively communicating in. I drop plays in it. A lot of the other, like the admins and everything, they drop plays in it, etc., etc. I'll probably explain that better because I'm still trying to get some information from the Discord owner. Until tomorrow.